Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about some new coupon matchups. We have new freebies, new overages, and new items to be on the lookout for the last day of the DG clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, so like I said, today is the last day of the DG clearance event. Today is Sunday, October the 9th. So this is the last day that we can run out and do these deals. Now, if you've missed any of my clearance event videos that I've uploaded so far this week, I'm going to have all of those linked in the pinned comment right down below this video. So make sure that you go and check them out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupon matchups that we have for the last day of the clearance event. So first up, we have the Colgate toothpaste gum protection. These are priced at $1.20 today, and we just received a new 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that makes it completely free, plus gives you 80 cents in overage. Now, we also received another digital coupon for the Colgate Gum Protection toothpaste. So we did receive a 5-off 3. So if you can find 3 of these Colgate toothpaste, pick them up, use that 5-off 3, and that is going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.40 in overage. All right, next up we have the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste Cool Mint 3-pack. These are priced at $2.70 today, and we have that 2-off-1 digital coupon that is attaching. So pick those up, use that coupon, and you're going to pay just 70 cents for 3 packs of toothpaste. Now again, we also have that 5-off 3 digital coupon, and that does work on these that are priced at $2.70. So pick up 3, that's going to put you at $8.10. Use that 5-off 3 digital coupon, and you're going to pay $3.10 for 3 packs of the 3-pack of toothpaste. Now, we also received a 6-off 2 digital coupon, and this one does work on the 3-pack Colgate that are priced at $2.70. So pick up 3, use that coupon, and you're going to get 2 of the 3 packs for completely free, plus give you 60 cents in overage. That's a bit of a tongue twister there. Alright, so moving right along, we have the Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste Vibrant Clean 3.2 ounces. These are priced at $1.50 today, and this does work with that 2-off-1 digital coupon that we just received, so that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 50 cents in overage. Alright, now next up we have this Colgate Renewal toothpaste. These are priced at $2.10, and again we have that 2-off-1 digital coupon, so pick one up, use that coupon, you're going to pay just 10 cents. Now, next up, here are some really good deals, and I have seen a lot of these at my store. So we have the Hello Extra Fresh Hemp Seed Oil Toothpaste 4-ounce tubes. So these are priced at $1.80. We have that 2-off-1 Colgate toothpaste coupon that does include the Hello toothpaste. So pick one of those up, use that 2-off-1 digital coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 20 cents in overage. But this still gets even better, because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back for the Hello Adult or Kids toothpaste. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus $1.20 moneymaker. Now, I know that I put overage on this slide, but you guys know what I mean, right? It's been a long week, and I was up super early trying to figure out all these matchups. So y'all know what I mean, right? Now, moving on, here is another Hello toothpaste that y'all need to be on the lookout for. We have the Hello Naturally Healthy Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste, Tea Tree, and Coconut Oil. So these are priced at $1.20 right now. Again, we have that 2-off-1 Colgate digital coupon. That works on the Hello toothpaste. So pick one up, use that coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 80 cents in overage. And again, we have that $1 rebate back on Ibotta. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus $1.80 moneymaker. Alright guys, so we are about halfway through these new coupon matchups, and I just wanted to take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me, because you all know those absolutely brighten up my day, and it is a really quick way that y'all can help support this channel. So if you haven't done that already, right now will be the perfect time to do that. Alright, so jumping back into the deals, we have the Schick Hydro Men's Skin Comfort Sensitive 3-blade razor handle and 4 refills. These right now are priced at $4.50, and we just received this 3-off-1 digital coupon. So pick one up, use that 3-off-1 coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.50. All right, moving right along, we have the Skintimate Vanilla Sugar Exfoliating Women's Disposable Razors, 4 count. These are priced at $2.70 right now, and we just received a new 4 off 1 digital coupon. So pick one up, use that coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.30 in overage. All right, next up we have the Women's Skintimate Bloom Razors. These are priced at $2.40. We just received a new 3 off 1 digital coupon. So if you can find one of those, pick it up and use that coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 60 cents in overage. Now, if you can't find the razors, be on the lookout for the Women's Skintimate Bloom refills. 4 count. These are also priced at $2.40, and with that 3 off 1 digital coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 60 cents in overage. Now, next up, we have the Women's Skintimate Shave Gel for dry skin, 7-ounce bottles. These are priced at $1.35, and we just received a new 1 off 1 digital coupon. So if you can find one of those, pick it up, use that coupon, and you're going to pay just 35 cents. Now, next up, we have the Clairol Nice and Easy Hair Colors. This is the Extra Light Blonde color. These are priced at $3.15. We did receive a new 2 off 1 digital coupon, so pick one up, use that coupon, you're going to pay $1.15. Now, we also received a new 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Clairol hair colors, so if you want to pick up 2, use that coupon, you're going to pay $1.30 for 2. All right, now next up we have the VitaFusion Men's Multivitamin Gummies, 150 count. These are priced at $3.75 right now, and we just received a new 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $1.75. Now we also have the VitaFusion B12 Vitamins 54 count gummies. These are priced at $1.80, and that 2 off 1 digital coupon does work on these, so pick those up, use a coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 20 cents in overage. Now, you also want to be on the lookout for the Little Critters Paw Patrol Complete Multivitamin Gummies 60 count. These are priced at $2.57 right now, and with that 2 off 1 digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying just 57 cents. All right, now next up, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Nikki for sending me in pictures of her clearance haul from day 1. Now, Nikki is a longtime OG crazy couponer. She is always in the comments underneath every single video that I post, and most of the time she is like the very first person. So she is an amazing crazy couponer, awesome supporter, and she picked up some really good items during the clearance event. She found overage with that Schwarzkopf hair color, so y'all be on the lookout for that one. We have coupons, probably digital insert, and on the coupons.com app that will make that product free, plus give you a little bit of overage. She also found the Safeguard hand soap with a digital coupon and some Dove shampoo. So again, thank you so much, Nikki, for always sending me in your haul pictures. I absolutely love seeing what you guys are finding out there. And if anybody else wants to send me pictures of their hauls, I would love to see them. Just send it to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or I'm also on Instagram, and it's just @crazycoupons. I'll have all that information in the pinned comment down below. All right, now next up, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Olga. She also sent in pictures of her DG clearance event hauls. And guys, take a look. She found a ton of paper products, a lot of this bath tissue, and she hasn't seen it posted anywhere else, so she was gracious enough to send us the picture. Y'all definitely want to be on the lookout for these Venda 12 count bath tissues. These are ringing up at $3.47 right now. Again, this is the last day of the clearance event, so if you remember any stores that you have seen this particular bath tissue in, make sure that you run out and grab it, because this is a really good deal. She even looked up at the retail price on Amazon. These are selling for $16 a pack. So again, thank you so much, Olga, for sharing this information with us and for sharing your pictures with us, and also for even thinking about your Crazy Coupons family here on YouTube. So thank you. Now, before I let y'all go, I have a little bit of news to share with y'all, and I want to go ahead and give y'all a heads up that I will be taking this week off. So basically, that just means that I'm not going to be doing my regular videos, such as the DG Good Deals and Glitch List video, the Walgreens Best Coupon Matchups video, and the Family Dollar Best Deals Coupon Matchups video. So those 3 videos I will not be doing this week. So I just wanted to kind of give y'all a little heads up on that. Unless something crazy happens and we have like a run deal run glitch going on somewhere. I might post a quick little video telling you guys about that. But I'm going to try to take this week off because my family, they're all on fall break, and I desperately need some time off from making videos and being on YouTube all week long. So that's the plan. I probably will put together a quick 5 off $25 video and upload that on Friday morning as usual. So that should be on schedule, but I will be taking the majority of this week off anyways. So yeah, like I said, unless we have some kind of like crazy run glitch deal, of course, I'll run out, do the deal, and bring you guys the information. But other than that, I'm going to try to do a lot of catching up this week and kicking back with the family, go do some fun things, and just try to relax. Now, it is possible that I will be uploading the 30K giveaway because I do owe you guys a gift card giveaway. So that video might pop up midweek. We'll just have to see, you know, what I can get into, but I'm going to try to relax and take the week off, and I will for sure be talking to you guys on Friday. But before y'all go, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Good luck at the last day of the DG clearance event, and I will see you on the next one.